Greetings and welcome to another episode of Repairing our Atari 2600 Junior. In the last episode we cleaned it up and noticed that the RF output had gone really bad. So today I'll be doing a composite mod to gain a much better image quality. To be honest with you, I made this video a long time ago, last year on Halloween. But during the process my camera died and I was not able to complete it. So since I got the new camera and new equipment, I am able to finish it today. Well, the mod is rather simple, but keep in mind this is for the PAL version only. If you're using an NTSC version, it might differ a little bit. What I gathered here today are several resistors, a capacitor and a few wires, including a soldering hole plate. I will solder those at the given solder points and combine them at the soldering plate to form a single composite output. As there's not much magic going on, I will fast forward the soldering process a little, so relax back and enjoy. Alright, everything is ready and glued on the main board. The only thing that I added was that little green wire going right to another ground point, which is more convenient for me. And I think now it's time to test if it's actually working. Alright, here we are. I assembled the Atari and connected it to a Composite to HDMI connector. That goes right into my RIPSHAR HD, which transfers the picture right into my computer, so you can see directly how the picture quality is on screen. Well, this is working great. The next game, which is an unboxing game, has some strange jittering. I'm not sure, maybe because it's of the cartridge being that old. To end this video, this is one of my favorite games I played in my youth with my neighborhood friend, and it's something like a missile command, but just shooting planes. Alright, thank you for watching. It was a project that took way too long to publish to YouTube, so stay tuned for the next videos because I got a really large attic find coming up.